If your Nintendo Switch won't turn on at all, no lights, no screen, no sound, it might feel like it's completely dead. This issue is usually caused by a drained battery, frozen system, or power-related glitch. I'll show you how to fix it step by step, even if the screen is totally black. Let's get started. Fix 1. Charge the console. First, let's ensure our Switch has enough charge. If it doesn't, it will obviously not run, but you need to make sure you're using the original Nintendo Switch charger. Unofficial chargers or phone chargers can jeopardize the battery life of your Switch, so it's not recommended by anyone. So plug the charger directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or dock. Plug your Switch, then let the Switch charge for at least 30 minutes. Even if the screen stays black at first, don't unplug it too soon. A fully drained battery takes time to respond. Fix 2. Perform a forced restart. Press and hold the power button on the top of the console. Keep holding it for 15 full seconds. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. Once done, release the button. Wait for a second. Now press the power button normally for 3 seconds. If it powers on now, then the Switch was just frozen and needed a forced reboot. But if it doesn't power on, hold the power button again for 15 to 30 seconds, and this time, hold the volume button with it. Keep holding it to see if it lights up. Repeat this process with the volume up button a second time to see if that works out or not. Another button combo you can try is to hold the power button and the home button together for 15 to 30 seconds. This can bring your Switch back to life in many cases. Fix 3. Try a different charger or power source. Let's say you have an original Nintendo Switch charger, but the problem is still there. Well, in such cases, you can try to charge your Switch with a different charger to rule out a faulty Nintendo charger. For example, try to connect your Switch with a different charger. It can be a phone charger since we are just testing. Let it charge for a bit and see if our Switch lights up or not. Another thing you can do is to change the power source. Use a different wall outlet or a different power strip to see if your Switch charges or not. You can try to dock it and then try this method out as well. Sometimes the Switch doesn't charge normally, but charges in dock mode. Now if you have tried all of these fixes and the problem still persists, then you can check for physical damage. Inspect the USB-C port on the bottom of the Switch. If it's loose, dirty, or damaged, it may not be charging at all. Use a flashlight to check for debris, and gently clean it with a toothpick or soft brush. If it looks physically damaged, it might need a professional repair. Contact a professional repair shop to let them inspect and fix your Nintendo Switch. At this point, they're most likely your only hope. So guys, I'm hoping at least some of you got the benefits of this video and were able to fix your Nintendo Switch. You can give this video a like if it was helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Nintendo fixes. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.